Okay, I've completed all the electrical repairs to this large bundle of wires up here. I went into the headlight and corrected all the wiring errors that were in the headlight. Everything works. When I go over to this other side of the bike, I'll show you high beam, low beam. Okay, so all this wiring's been cleaned up, fixed up. A lot of mistakes, fixed them all. I took the carburetor had absolutely no throttle action at all. It was all sticky and dirty and glommed up, so I took it off and cleaned it up. Now, I also cleaned the throttle cable and the throttle assembly. So watch the snap as I operate the throttle assembly. Hear that snap? See it snap back? That's called good snap. You need that. Okay? I'll walk around the other side of the bike and turn on the ignition. Check out various and sundry things over there. Alright, I've corrected the wiring on the battery. It's all good. Put a spare fuse there. Alright, turning the key on. We have ignition. I won't fire the bike up now because I have no tank on it. Alright, now we have lights. And we have high beam, low beam, everything working. I rebuilt this switch, took it completely apart, found a new flipper, so we have a nice flipper on it. And the horn works too. So at this point, tomorrow I'll put the gas tank back on and make some gas lines, check the oil. I'll probably drain the oil tomorrow, put in fresh oil and fresh filter, and then maybe start it tomorrow morning. We'll see. That's the end of day.